Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to swap your internal memory to external memory. First of all, you need to root your phone. Second, you need root explorer. Well, I hide that app. You can see root explorer. Go to the root explorer, scroll down, you will find here system, then you will find here etc. Scroll down, then you will find here ball.emmc.fstab and other one ball.fstab. Here I will do it by just rename it. Here you can see on the top can't rename because it's already here, so we'll do like this. Rename lab E here. Yeah, it will like this. Now here change its name whole.fstab. Now here you can change name here emmc.fstab. Now it is done. The next one here change the name again, the first one delete it. Okay, now you're done. Just you need to reboot your phone, so I already done it like this. Reboot your phone, but I already done it, so I will not. Thank you for watching guys, so please like my video if you like it.